Yeah, hello guys. Today's update will be on trade. Like I said earlier, first of all, to understand trade, you first of all understand the basic of trade. What is trading? Yeah, what is trading? Trading is simply giving someone your money. Trade, let's go back to history of trade for you to get understanding. In economics, trade is simply when one want to give, you want to buy Gary, and the thing you want to buy is not with you. Maybe for instance, you have money, you have cash with you. You want to buy, for instance, you have Gary, you want plantain. This is trade by barter. Now, for trade to be able to be completed, you two have to meet and you have to negotiate how many bunch of plantain you will give to get basket of Gary. That's where measurement comes in, calculation comes in. Now that is the past history of trade. That's called trade by barter. You give somebody Gary that you have, or whatever product or commodity you have, then the other person will give you what he's looking for. Maybe you have Gary, you are looking for plantain. Now the plantain seller maybe is looking for Gary, and you are the one that have the Gary with you. You have to meet each other and exchange, discuss, negotiate, and calculate how you people are going to make the trade. Now, after conclusion, after accepting each other's terms, you people will now execute the trade, the transaction. That transaction is called trade, and is usually called trade by barter. Now, that is the history of trade. Now, currently, we have advanced from that history of trading by barter. Now, we're in the era of trading seamlessly without no blockage or restrictions. Now, there's almost no restriction in the world. Because of the state of growth, the world is growing. We are in a growing economy. You understand? So to understand trade in cryptocurrency, I make you understand this history of trade, how trade is going. Nowadays, trade, you will have to enter this option called trade. Maybe you want to go to market. The current history of trade is maybe you want to buy something, you have money, and you want to buy rice. Now, money is now used as a medium of exchange, currency, which is called fiat currency. Now, if you want to buy anything today, you will use fiat currency as a medium of exchange. You people will have money with you. Now, you want to buy rice, you don't have to carry what the other person need. What you want the other person need is money. What you need is food. You will have to go to a marketplace whereby they are selling food. For instance, the supermarket or the traditional or local market. You go there with your money and you come back with the goods which you are looking to acquire. Now, currently, that is how trade is being done in the crypto market. Now, you come with your money, either your naira, your euros, your pounds, your US dollars, your Ghana cedis, your Kenya shilling, your franc, your ZOF, whatever country you live on, whichever currency you wish to trade with. You will have that in your hands. Then what do you want to purchase? That is another thing. You must have something to purchase in your hand. Now, for instance, you want to buy Bitcoin because Bitcoin is a popular cryptocurrency in the whole planet. Now, you want to buy Bitcoin. First of all, you will have to have a fiat currency with you, which is called currencies. Your money, your dollar, those are called fiat currency in the digital world. Now, you have to keep that with you. Now, to trade that money into cryptocurrencies, you will swap that money into US dollar, USDT. This is the coin you will swap it to. USDT. This is the coin, USDT. This is the coin. You will have to swap your dollar, your euro, your naira, all your coins, any fiat currency you have in the world. This is the coin you are going to swap all of them to. Because you having this coin, you having this USDT, you having it, it gives you the opportunity to purchase Bitcoin. You can't use your Naira in most cases to buy directly, in most cases. So the best way is to convert it first to USDT, US dollar. Then the person, after giving you the US dollar, USDT, which equally means stable coin. Now in another video, I will make a video regarding stable coins. Now after having USDT, you will now go to search for BTC. Now this is BTC. Now this is what we are looking to purchase. Currently the price of one BTC Bitcoin is currently $79,350 per Bitcoin. Now this is the trade section. Now if you want to buy, you will simply input the amount of Bitcoin you want. In this place called amount, you're going to put the amount. If it is 1, you can buy 1 Bitcoin, you can buy a fraction. What I mean by fraction is you can buy 0.1 Bitcoin, which will only cost you $7,933 of cost. That is the cost price to get 0.1 Bitcoin. Now if you want to buy 1 Bitcoin, you simply put 1. It will give you the whole price. This is the current price. This is the current price of Bitcoin. So if you want to buy 1 Bitcoin, it will show you the available amount here. Now you will find out the price here, that is $79,350. Now if you want to buy 2 Bitcoin, you quickly input 2. It will give you the current price of the 2 Bitcoin will cost you $158,700. Now if you want, which is 700 USDT, which equally means dollars. Now if you want to buy, let me cancel this. If you want to buy 10 Bitcoin, let's say you want to buy 10 Bitcoin, it will equate $793,500, which is almost $1 million. Now if you want to buy any amount of coin, if it is BTC, Ethereum, now we have different kind of coins in the market. This is just for example. So if you want to buy, this is the quickest way and the easiest way people buy coins. This is called trade. This is called trading. You see the section we are in? This section is called trade. This section is called trade. We have trade here. We have market, future, wallet, market, and home. Now if you want me to make a tutorial about all this section you are seeing there, you can indicate in the comment section. I will give a tutorial on each one of them as you wish. So guys, today this is the quickest way. Now if you want to sell, because trading is not only buying, it's completed with selling also. You must buy and sell. If it's just buying, the trade is not complete. Now you will have to buy and sell. Now I've just showed you how to sell. This is this buy section, which you will input the amount. Now also, if you want to add manually, you can click this plus button, and add the numbers of Bitcoin you want to buy, and the price will change. If you want to deduct from the price, you can also tap here manually and it will execute. Now if you want to set a price, that is called limits. If you want to set a price on the Bitcoin you want to buy, maybe you want to wait for the price to fall down before you buy. Now you can set the price of Bitcoin here. You can say, I will buy 1 Bitcoin for maybe $5,000. Now what this thing is going to do for you is that it's going to execute the trade when the price of 1 Bitcoin gets to $5,000. This is almost impossible. It's almost impossible. Not currently. It is possible earlier, before, in those years, but not possible nowadays. But it's just for illustration purpose. Now if you want to buy 2 Bitcoin, you have to set your preference, your choice. Now you want to buy 2 Bitcoin, it will give you, because you have set a price to buy 1 Bitcoin for $5,000, 2 Bitcoin will now equate $10,000. I hope you understand this section of setting price. Now, if you don't want to set price, you want to, and this price will not execute instantly. It will not execute instantly. The market, you will wait for the market to fall to $5,000 before this trade will execute, and it's almost impossible currently. Now, this is the option. But if you don't want to buy, you don't want to wait for your setting price, just follow market price, and it will execute immediately the price of 1 Bitcoin. If you don't want to waste time, just go to market price and execute. It will go immediately. Now, go to the section of sell if you want to sell your Bitcoin. Maybe you have acquired 1 Bitcoin. Now you want to sell it back to your money. This is how to sell it back. Now you have to go to this section, which was written, sorry. You have to go to this section called sell. Click on the sell. Let's say you have 1 Bitcoin. Let's go to limits so that you can see the price. You want to sell 2 Bitcoin. Let's say you want to sell 1 Bitcoin. Now remember, you purchased 1 Bitcoin, which cost you around $79,350. Now the price have fluctuated. If you have bought it now, you could have lost at least $10 currently. Now trading, that's why people say trade is risky. Trade is risky, yeah. But you have to understand what you are doing when trading. So assuming you purchased 1 Bitcoin for the past time which you started this video, you might have lost $10 to $15 because the price fluctuates very bad. Now the current price is now $99,200, which you might have lost almost $100 if you bought earlier with $70,000 worth of Bitcoin. Now this is how it works. Just go to the sell section and input the amount you wish to buy. Now if you want to sell 1 Bitcoin, it will now go to $79,212,000. Now assuming you bought 10 BTC, which initially cost us previously $350 as earlier, you will be selling it for this current price, which is $79,792,120. Now this is simply the meaning of trade. Now after selling your Bitcoin, it means you have successfully completed a full trade. It's called you have completed a full trade, buying and selling. Now I hope I've made you understand what it means when someone said I'm trading, I'm a trader. Now this is the occupation of a trader. Now trading as a career or trading as a person, because trading is a course, it's a career, it's a job. In the US and most of the countries in the world, most people do trading as a life course. They do it for a living. Some people trade for a living. They go to trade. They just go to the market, the exchange, place an order. There's a good, make some profit, and they are good for the day. They are called daily traders. Now there are different sections of trading. There are some trade you are going to make and loss. There are some trade you are going to make and profit. That is all about trading. So when you want to put trading as a career, you have to think of the risk, the benefits, the profit and loss. You have to understand the basics. Now there are more to this if you want to become a day trader. Now I can also give you a tutorial to become a full-time trader. If you want to become a full-time trader, a 24-hour trader, you want to leave your current job, you want to become a trader, I can teach you also in this channel on how to become a full-time trader. Now people also do forex. They do forex as I can also teach you how to do forex, but I'm not doing it currently. I'm not talking too much about forex futures of forex. But if you want me to talk about futures of forex, I will talk about it in another section of the video, only if I see your comment. Now guys, enjoy this rest of the day of your day, and give this video a thumbs up and share the video massively to people, your friends, your colleagues, your social media, so that people like you that are looking for the word trade, that want to understand what trade means, they could get an idea what trade means. So watching this video, it will give you a quick guide on how to execute your first trade. Now put in mind that trading involves risk. Put in mind that trading involves risk, a reasonable amount of risk. You can lose higher, you can gain. So there are more to it. You have to understand different sections of the market, different basics, which I will not be talking in this video because I don't want to make this too long. This is just a beginner guide on how to trade, how to execute your first trade. Now guys, if this video interests you and you are interested to know more about cryptocurrency, how to make money in the crypto space, I do it so often in this channel. I have a community, a WhatsApp group community, whereby I teach people, I update people as well. I give different airdrops which are paying each month. I talk about ways to make money in the crypto space, which people are also making money from currently. And I also have a premium membership as well, which is not free. It have a cost. It costs you a money to join. If you are interested as well, you can join the WhatsApp group community and indicate that you want to join. I will put you through to the system and you can make money through the crypto world. Now guys, joining my free community is free to join, but also the free premium class is not free. That is advanced, for advanced people that have understand trading, that have mastered trading, that have lived from beginner to mid-rate to middle to secondary level. Those people are the ones to join the premium membership. If you are a beginner, you are just jumping into the space, you have to learn the basics. You understand? You have to join the basics, learn from the free community group, which I will indicate the link in the description of this video or in the comment section. Or if I didn't drop those videos and links, indicate in the comment section. I will give you the link to the community which you can join for free and make your first Bitcoin or your first USDT, your first dollars in the crypto world for free. So guys, this is where I'm ending today's video. If this interests you, don't waste time by delaying it. Share this video massively to people. There are people like you searching to know these things which I've just shared to you now. There are a lot of people wanting to know this. So guys, share this video to people, share to your friends, subscribe to this channel if you wish to hear more from me, and if you wish to learn more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share the video massively to people that wish to see this video. There are people that would congratulate you for sharing this video to them. You understand? So guys, this is where I draw today's curtain. Bye for now. Peace.